We are pleased to announce this morning that the Fiji Roads Authority board has, with the concurrence of government, selected the new CEO for Fiji Roads Authority, Mr. Jonathan Moore. And in fact, he officially starts from today. I'd like to now hand over to the chairman of FRA, Mr. Dinesh Patel, to briefly introduce Mr. Moore and tell us a few things about FRA's plans. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the media. Like the AG says, it's also indeed a very great pleasure for me as the chairman of FRA to introduce our newly appointed Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Jonathan Moore. Mr. Moore is a British national and a professional engineer with 35 years of experience in the infrastructure sector. And he has had a high level of experience in the various areas of the infrastructure works in places like Qatar, Abu Dhabi, England, India, and Dubai. He has got a proven track record and ability in construction, supervision and planning, design, constructability, quality management systems, different forms of contract and the likes. Mr. Moore has obviously got an eye for detail, and he places great value on value engineering, time management, and good governance. And of course, he is also a very good team player, from what we have learned from his past workplaces. And a person who greatly believes in developing the local people and the local skill set. That is something that we value very highly within the organization. That is to develop the local expertise. The board has obviously had a very long process in this recruitment of the CEO, but we are confident that we finally found the right person for the role of the CEO. And obviously we wish to thank Mr. Moore for taking on this challenge of taking this organization forward. This organization, FRA, has really grown over the years from the old DNR days to when we were appointed to the board in 2015. As you would know, from a manpower of 45, we've today got close to 150 people working within the organization, and the number is estimated to rise to close to 200. And of course, the key reason for that is obviously we want to bring those core functions within the organization. Some of those functions that were outsourced all these years in the past, and we're working towards that. And obviously, having a good CEO taking the lead role in building the team to be able to deliver better is a huge plus for the organization. And in Mr. Moore, we see the capability and the track record and the proven experience that has given us the confidence that we found the right person for this job. We obviously also want to thank the acting CEO for filling the role in the last few months. He's done a great job. He's obviously held two portfolios in finance and in the acting CEO role. Obviously, Robert Sen has done a good job in that regard. As you know, the expectation from the public has been getting bigger and bigger in terms of delivery. And obviously the board places great emphasis on delivering to everybody's expectations. The public, the government, of course, the organization is such as well. And we're going to put great emphasis on the delivery of some of these projects that have been held in the pipeline for some time now. Things like footpaths, street lights, rural roads, and the roading network around the main centers. And I'm sure that with the leadership of Mr. Moore, some of these, most of these projects will be getting delivered much better than what they may have been in the past. I also want to point out that if you look at the two major projects, roading projects that are going on at the moment, the Nendi roading along the Namak Amatinda area in Nendi, and of course the Nosori to Suva corridor. The routing around the Nindi airport is estimated to finish, was initially estimated to be completed by March next year, but we have just had word from the contractors that it will be finished by middle of December this year. So that's good news, that Nindi airport is a gateway to Fiji, and of course that will be great when the road gets fully completed. The road from Nosori to Suva is underway, and of course we have had some obstacles, but they are slowly getting ironed out, and it's getting back on track right now. Apart from that, yeah, we really looking forward to Jonathan taking over his role, captaining the ship, and of course the people that work within the organization, and steering the ship in the right direction. And I'm sure, like I said earlier, the board has got total confidence that Jonathan will deliver to everybody's expectations.
I think you forgot to mention he was in Malaysia before this.
Oh, yeah. My apologies. Before coming to Fiji, Mr. Moore was posted as he worked in the Ministry of Finance for the government of Malaysia, and was headed major roading infrastructure works over there. So obviously, as you can see, he's come with a very, very good background and experience, which is going to be very, very important in terms of the delivery for the FRA is concerned.
Thank you, Chair. Maybe I'll get Jonathan to say a few words.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And I'm delighted to be in Fiji. Delighted to take on this role. I know there are challenges to it, but I have 35 years of experience, gained from a labourer through to director, and gained in London and the Middle East and India and Malaysia. So I'm looking forward to bringing that experience here. Working with the Fijian team and hoping to pass my experience on to them and bring them on for the future. That's my ultimate goal, is to hand over in the future to somebody else. And I'd like to thank Robert as well for all of his assistance over the last 2 months. He's held the fort admirably and made my transition into the role a lot more straightforward. So thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you, Mecca. Thank you.
Thanks.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you very much.
We'll have some further meetings later.
Good.
Thank you. Thanks, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sirah. Thank you.